In this video, I will show you how to check Aldi gift card balance. So friends, if you want to check your gift card balance, follow me in this video. Go to Google search for Aldi website and then look for this gift card balance. Just scroll down, go to this help Aldi gift card balance. This is URL. After that, you will see this page, friends. From here, all you have to do, you have this card on your balance. For example, you have this card. Just enter your valid gift card number and no space below. For example, this one, you should be write no space. After that, write your PIN codes on this card. When you write your PIN codes, you will see write your PIN code as I say. For example, this is your PIN codes, and then click check your balance. This is your PIN codes, and this is last 19 digits on your card, and this is balance for features not accessible for gift cards. So friends, actually this is how you can do to check your balance. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.